Hi, today I have a very special padlock for you guys. It's a puzzle padlock. It's a DanLock. It's a fantastic, really fantastic 10 level puzzle, and it's built by in Israel, and the padlock name is Nabob, I think. There is a key attached to the shackle, and there is another part, this broken key, and this is not part of the solution, or not part of the puzzle. And this specific puzzle was, I think, the one who pushed me to designing in parallel with my locksport, to designing my two puzzles, and the third one is in preparation. So yeah, let me read this card. It's a DanLock, a puzzle by Dan Feldman. Goal: open the lock, then put all the pieces back in their original position. Do not use force or any external tool. Use just the lock and the provided keys. Do not use neither the metal ring that holds the two broken parts, nor the DanLock's back. Okay. Warning: containing small parts. Keep out of reach of children. Yeah. It's interesting. It's saying do not use force or any external tool. It's not saying do not use tools, so I will use two tools this time. So I will not show you how to solve this puzzle, but because there is videos how to solve it, and I will put links down in the description where you can find and buy this lock. I will try to pick this lock. I don't know if it's intended to be picked, but yeah, whatever. It's going to be interesting. Yes, this is going to work, this tension tool, and of course my favorite, the force diamond. So I will how to do it? European way? Yes. Hopefully there is no floating pins, or so one it's missing. So I'm back directly. I'm on 2, 3, click, 2, nothing, 4, binding, click, small click, 5, click, and we are open. So that's fantastic. So here's the lock. We remove the key, we solve the puzzle, we put it back, put it back together, then I can use this part to close, and we are done. So yes, we defeat the lock, but yeah, it's saying do not use force on any external tool, but I used the tool, so it's like, yeah, it's good. It's like solving the puzzle. So yeah, I will not show you how to solve the puzzle, but I will say it's a fantastic puzzle. It's a very nice. If you like locks like me, if you like puzzles like me, check this link down in the description. I will put the Etsy shop. You can contact him. He has 2 or 3 more puzzles. This is level 10, and the other ones are a little bit easier. But anyways, check his Etsy shop. Check this lock. It's a really nice lock. And I think I'm the first one picking this one on camera, so yeah, something first for me. So hey guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.